Hello everyone, here we have a Philips Saeco Celsius espresso machine, and this machine was brought here because it was getting stuck on the rinsing cycle at the beginning of the machine. So right now it's doing the automatic rinsing cycle, and we're just waiting for it to complete. For this machine, we just replaced the water pump, the one that you see right here. That's the only one that we replaced. We're gonna be testing various functions of the machine after the machine does the initial rinsing cycle. Previously, the machine will just get stuck in here and it will not complete the cycle, and it will just be on a loop until it finishes out of water. Just going to bring up the tray, probably because of the previous testing that we were doing with this machine. Just give me 1 second, I will empty that. Perfect, now that the tray is empty, we're going to put it back in there. Second, forgot this little piece. Okay, now that the whole tray is complete, we're just going to put it back in there and start with the test of the machine. And as I previously said, we just replaced a water pump in this machine, nothing else. So starting with 1 cappuccino, we're going to test it out so we can test everything on this side, and we're going to be doing hot water and then the steam from this side to finish the testing. Let's make it all the way. Yeah, there it goes. It's gonna heat up because it needs to basically get some pressure so it will siphon the milk coming from the carafe. We're not using milk. We're using a more synthetic place. We're using a milk frother cleaner instead of using milk, and that's to pretty much simulate some of the foam that you will see coming from the carafe itself. And as you can see, it kind of looks like milk. Good siphoning, working really great, making a lot of foam. Perfect automatic cleaning. Good water flow coming out of the machine. Fortunately, I won't be able to drink this since it has milk cleaner in there. But it looks really, really good. And that's just to simulate a cappuccino. Fortunately, we do not have milk. And now for this side, we're gonna test it out. As you can see, steady stream of hot water. Now for the steam. It's gonna take a bit for the machine to heat up and build some pressure. Now that it's building up some pressure, as you can see here. Really great temperature, excellent steam flow coming out of the steam one. And there you have it, Philips Saeco Celsius working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing, let's turn it off so we can do the finalized rinsing cycle and just conclude the whole test of the machine. As you know, you can see it's doing the automatic rinsing cycle by itself. Had no issues doing it. Had no at the start of the test as well as at the end of the test. And thank you for repairing Kanen coffee, and thanks for watching.